Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to reset Ring Spotlight camera. Need to reset your Ring Spotlight camera? It's actually pretty simple. Before doing anything, make sure the camera has power. If you have the battery version, make sure the battery is charged. And if you have a wired model, verify that it's receiving power. Next, locate the setup button. On most Ring Spotlight cameras, it's found on the top of the device, although some battery-powered outdoor models may have it hidden inside the battery compartment. Once you've found the button, press and hold it for about 20 seconds without letting go. After releasing the button, the camera's light will begin flashing as it restarts and performs a factory reset. Give it a minute or two to complete the process. Once the reset is finished, open the Ring app and set the camera up again just like you did when it was new. This can help resolve connection issues, setup problems, or other glitches that the simple reboot doesn't fix. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.